Hello all, and welcome here to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Java. So to install Java, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to search over here Java JDK download and hit enter. So that's going to show you this www.oracle.com. So you need to go to this official site of Java downloads and it's going to redirect to the official site of Java. So this link I am going to provide right in your description. So once you are here, you need to scroll down and you will see all different Java versions are available to download. So starting from Java JDK 23 to JDK 21, 17, all these different versions. So depending upon what operating system you are using, if you are using Linux, then you need to go to this Linux tab and you need to proceed with all these different download links. Or if you are into macOS, you need to switch to macOS tab and there are all different links for Java JDK 23. Now since in this video I am going to download it for Windows, so I'll switch to Windows tab and you'll see all these different versions are available, right? So from here I am going to download this x64 MSI installer and here we have the download link. So I'll click on that link and immediately it's going to start downloading our Java JDK 23. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory and here you can see that same Java JDK 23 is already been downloaded over here. So to install, you need to just simply double click on the exe and it's going to show you this Java installation wizard. Let's first minimize our download directory and here you need to just simply click on next. So this is where our Java is going to be installed. So on our C program files, Java JDK 23 folder directory, it's going to create all the files and folders. If you want to change it, you can always click on this change button and you can change it to some other location from here, right? But I'll recommend you do not change this location, keep it default and just simply click on next. So it's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes and there you go. Our Java is rightly started installing. So this will take some time, about a couple of minutes. So by the time it get installed, please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel. That will really motivate me to make more videos. Here regularly I'm posting a lot of coding related videos that should be helping you, and please do subscribe. Along with, if you want, you can also subscribe our Geeky Script blogging channel. So you can see that our Java is rightly installed now. Everything is properly done. Just simply click on close. So now that you know that our Java is rightly installed, it's time to set up our environment path. So that's a very important step. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to your C drive and then you'll see a program files over here. Go inside that program files and you'll see a Java folder over here. Just go inside that and you'll see JDK 23 folder lying over here. Go inside that folder and you will see a bin folder over here. Again, go inside that bin folder. So what you need to do now is you need to click on this address bar, right click and copy this path. Alright, just minimize this and now you again go to search and just simply type environ. So what it will show you is it will show you this edit the system environment variables. Just open that. So just click on this button. And here under system variables you will see path over here. So you need to click on this path and then you need to click on edit. And now what you need to do is under this edit the environment variables, you need to click on new and then you need to right click and then you need to paste this C program files Java JDK 23/bin folder path over here. Alright, that's what you need to do. Just click on OK after that. And now you need to click on new over here and you need to type Java home, Java _ home, and in variable value you need to right click and paste this path. But this time remember to delete this /bin folder path from here. You need to keep only till JDK 23 and you need to click on OK. And then you need to click again OK and then again OK. And now to verify whether Java is rightly installed on your system or not, you need to go to search and you need to type cmd. So that will open command prompt. Go to command prompt and here if you just simply type Java space -- version and hit enter, you'll see that latest version of Java, which is Java version 23 is successfully installed on our system. So if you see this similar type of prompt, that all that basically means is your Java is rightly installed on your system and you are good to go to create any Java projects, right? So now let's close this. It's time for some coding. So right click and let's create a new folder called Java-workspace and go inside that folder and let's create a text document. So just hover over new and click on text document. So this text document we are going to name it as hello world, and I'm going to remove this .txt extension with .java. Hit enter. So it will ask you whether you'd like to change the file name extension. Yes, I want. So you can see file name extensions is properly changed now. If you are unable to see these type of file name extensions, in that case what you need to do is you need to click on view and then you need to hover over show and then you need to enable this file name extensions. Alright, so we can see there is a tick mark over here. So that means my file name extensions are enabled. So you need to enable that. Once that is enabled, you'll see a file name extensions and then you need to rename that. Alright, so now let's open this file in a notepad and let's write a simple Java code over here. So class hello world and let's end the bracket and create our public static void main method. Public static void main string args and let's create end the bracket and let's print something on our console. So system.out.println and within bracket let's write something like hello world, end with quotation, and that's all. Just go to file and save this file, and now you need to go to this folder path and type cmd over here. So that should be opening your command prompt right at this location. So to run this file you need to just simply type java c the name of your file, which is hello world.java. Hit enter. So what it's going to do is it's going to start compiling your file and going to show you the output. So our hello world.class file is directly generated. To get that output you need to just simply type java the name of your class name, which is hello world. So hello world and hit enter and you will get the output hello world directly coming on our console. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Java on a Windows operating system. Please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel along with Geeky Skip blogging channel. That's going to really motivate me to make more and more this kind of videos. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all. Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Intellij IDEA version 2024.2 on the Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily create a simple hello world Java project within our Intellij IDEA. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you will be successfully able to install your Intellij IDEA and you will also know how to write simple Java projects. And if you face any issues, you can always comment in our comment sections and you can also ask your questions on our Instagram. I'll definitely going to help you. Now to install Intellij IDEA, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to just simply search over here Intellij IDEA download and hit enter. So that's going to show you this www.jetbrains.com. So just simply open this link and it's going to redirect to the official site of JetBrains. So this link I'm going to provide right in our description. So here you can see that we have Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So depending upon what operating system you are using, you have to proceed with all that. So for Windows you need to switch to this Windows tab and then you need to scroll down and you will get this Intellij IDEA Community Edition. So here you need to just simply click on this download button and immediately it will be going to start downloading our Intellij IDEA. You can see it is directly started over here. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that our Intellij IDEA is already been downloaded over here. So let's just simply double click on the exe to start installing our Intellij IDEA. So it will ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and there you go. Welcome to Intellij IDEA Community Edition setup. So let's first minimize our download directory, and here into just simply click on next. So this is where our Intellij IDEA is going to be installed. Everything is totally fine. Only thing that you need to check is how much space you are having on your C drive, because we are installing it on a C drive. So it is very important to have the available space. So for Intellij IDEA you need to have 2.6 gigabyte of free space. So I am having that. So just check that and then click on next. So here under installation options you'll get lot of checkboxes. So you need to check it one by one. So Intellij IDEA community desktop shortcut is going to create. Similarly, you will need to also check this add open folder as project. So whenever there is any folder lying on your Windows, so just right clicking on that, it's going to add this open folder as project as an option. So always check that. I'll use Java, so I'll select .java. If you want to do Kotlin, can also do Kotlin. I'm going to make a detailed video about that also. You'll get on this channel. So if you want to be a Kotlin developer, you can select all these other languages, and you can proceed with installing Intellij IDEA. And next thing is you need to also check this add bin folder to path. Very important step. Just simply click on next after that. So it's going to create a JetBrains folder. Totally fine. Just simply click on install. You can see our installation is rightly begun. Also desktop shortcut is created over here. Right. So this takes some time. You can always click on the show details. You can see how it is extracting each of the file and then installing it. So it will take some time, couple of minutes maybe. So by the time our Intellij IDEA get installed, let's discuss about our channel Geeky Syntax. So here regularly I'm posting lot of coding related videos, so please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel. That will really motivate me to make more such videos. And also if you want, you can also subscribe our Geeky Vlogging channel. And recently I have also created one account on Instagram, so you can ask all your doubts over there. I'll always try to help you, so please do follow our Instagram account. And here let's wait for a couple of minutes. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Intellij IDEA is successfully installed. So you can always reboot your system now. So you need to select this reboot now, and you can click on finish to reboot your system. So please do reboot your system, and then we are going to again come back to this video. So let's do it. So welcome back. So after successfully rebooting your system, we'll be again landed over to the desktop, and you can see our shortcut is also created over here. So Intellij IDEA Community Edition 2024.2. So just simply double click on the shortcut to start launching our Intellij IDEA. So you can see it is rightly started launching. And there you go. So our Intellij IDEA is rightly open. So it is telling whether you'd like to import your previous settings. So in my previous videos I have installed Visual Studio Code. So it is telling whether you'd like to import all those settings from Visual Studio Code, or you just simply want to skip all those import and you want to start afresh. So let's click on skip import, and we'll start everything from scratch. So welcome to Intellij IDEA. You can maximize this. So here you can click on this new project. So let's create a new project. So give a project name. So let's give the project name as hello everyone. You can give any project name as per your wish, and it's going to create over here. So it's going to create a IDEA project directory, and within that it's going to create hello everyone project. You can see this is how it's going to look. All right. So next important thing is Java. So we are working on Java. So this is what it is selected, our Java JDK path 22. Again, I have made a detailed video about how to install Java. So you can follow that video to install Java. Or else what you can do is you can just simply click on this drop down and you can click on this download Java. So when you click on that, see it is rightly started downloading your Java. You can select the folder and you can install your Java. Since I have already installed Java, so that path you can see that it is already selected, right? This is registered JDKs. So if you haven't installed Java previously, you can download it from here, and then again your path will get automatically registered. Or if you have previously installed Java following that video, in that case you will see that Java path is already recognized. So now that's all you need to do. Just simply click on create. So it's going to start creating our Java project within Intellij IDEA. You can see it is rightly started, reformatting our code, and here is our project. So it's going to also open our main.java file over here. You can see that file is also opened over here. So let's first maximize it. So here is our project, then here is our src folder, and within src folder we have our main.java file, and that main.java file is also opened over here, and here they have also given one sample code. So we have a public static void main, and within that we have system.out.printf. Then we are just simply printing hello and welcome, and then we have a simple loop over here, so that's going to print 1 to 5 natural numbers. So here in this statement we are just simply printing I equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So those natural number is going to print sequentially, right? So now everything is totally fine. Into just simply click on this run button, and it's going to start building your project. So first time it might take some time, don't worry, just have some patience. You can see it is rightly started building our project, and it's going to show you the output on our console. You can see hello and welcome, then it is printing 1 to 5 natural numbers. So that's how you install latest version of Intellij IDEA on your Windows operating system. Please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel, that will really motivate me to make more such videos. Along with, if you want, you can also subscribe our Geeky Skill vlogging channel. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all. Everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Eclipse IDE, that is Eclipse IDE version 2024-03 on a Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily run a simple Hello World Java program within our Eclipse IDE. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. Now to install the latest version of Eclipse IDE, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and to just simply search over here Eclipse IDE download and hit enter. And immediately you'll be able to see this www.eclipse.org as our first search result. So to click on this Eclipse downloads, and immediately it's going to redirect to the official site of Eclipse Foundation. So this link, eclipse.org/downloads link, I am going to provide right in our description. So you can directly use that link to land over here. And once you are over here, you need to just simply scroll down and you'll be able to see this download button. See Eclipse IDE packages, under that we have a download button. So to click on that, and immediately it's going to redirect to this page. So here you can see again we have a download button, so we need to click on that, and it's going to start downloading our Eclipse IDE. So thank you for your download, and here you can see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly started downloading, and the file size is 130 MB. So the file is already downloaded, so I'll cancel this and minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that the same file, that is 130 MB file or 129 MB file, is already been downloaded over here. So you need to just simply double click on that installer in order to install it locally on your system. And you can see our Eclipse installer is rightly launched. So let's first minimize our download directory, and there you go. So you can see our Eclipse installer is rightly open. So here you can see that our Eclipse for Java developers is available to install. Similarly, you can use Eclipse IDE for C or C++, or if you are a PHP developer, you can use Eclipse IDE for PHP as well. Similarly, you can see all other different languages are also over here. So in my previous videos, I have showed you how we can use our Eclipse IDE for C and C++. So you can also follow that video. So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can use Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So for that, you need to click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers and it's going to redirect to this page. So here you can already see that we have a Java install, right? So you can see that JDK 22 path is clearly they have automatically configured, right? But don't worry, if you don't have Java previously installed, then you can also download it from here. So if you click on this drop down, you can see you can download JRE version 17 or JRE version 21 or 22. You can see it also has a URL, right, that HTTPS like that. So if you click on that, so that will also going to fetch your Java from internet and going to install it locally on your system. So you can do that as well. Since I have already installed Java, so you can also follow my previous videos where we have installed latest version of Java, that is Java 22. So you can follow that video as well. So the thing is, you need to have Java installed. Alright, so since I have already Java installed, so I'll select this, and this is going to be our installation folder. So we are installing latest version of Eclipse, that is version 2024-03. So it's going to create that folder and it's going to install all the files over here. So everything is good now. You can just simply click on install and it's going to first ask you about this license agreement. You need to accept the license agreement and it will going to start installing our Eclipse. So this will take some time. You need to have active internet connection also. So it's going to fetch all the files from internet and going to install. So it is very important to have your internet connection while installing Eclipse IDE. So you can see it is already started. So it will take some time, a couple of minutes maybe. So after that, I'm going to again come back to this video. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly installed and our launch button is also enabled. So you can just simply click on this big launch button. So that will going to start launching our Eclipse IDE. You can see Eclipse IDE version 2024-03 is rightly started launching. And it will ask you to select a directory as a workspace. So I'm going to keep the default one, which is username, then the Eclipse workspace folder. So everything is fine. Just simply click on launch. And our Eclipse IDE is rightly started launching. And you can see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly launched. So welcome to Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So this will also going to redirect to the sponsor page. You can always donate some amount to help their community. They have really developed a very good software. So let's click on cancel over here, and your Eclipse IDE is rightly open. You can always close the welcome note as I am going to show you all the steps. So what you need to do is you need to go to file and then you need to hover over new and then you need to click on Java project. So when you click on that, it's going to open this create a Java project window. So here you need to give a project name. So let's give the project name as Hello World, and you can see that by default they have selected Java EC21. If you want to switch to Java JRE 22, so that also you can do, since we have Java 22 already installed, the latest version at the time of making of the video. So we are going to select this use a project specific JRE, that is JDK 22, and I'm going to keep all other things as a default. Only thing that I'm going to change is this module part. So I'm going to uncheck that and then I'm going to click on finish. So that will going to start creating our Hello World Java project. So you can see our Hello World Java project is rightly created over here. You can always expand this project and you will get a SRC folder, right? So you need to right click and you need to create a new class over here. So just go to new and then click on class. So that will show you this Java class window. So here you need to give a class name, which I am going to give Hello World, and I am going to also select this public static void main method. Alright, so I am going to click on finish. So that's going to create our method. So you can see hello world.java file is rightly created over here, and our file is also opened over here. So here if you just simply hit enter and type something like system.out.println, and within parenthesis if you just simply write something like hello world, and if you just simply give a semicolon, and if you just simply run the program, you're going to see the output hello world rightly shown on our console, right? So in this way you can easily install latest version of Eclipse IDE on a Windows operating system, and then you can easily start writing your Java projects. So I have also started Geeky Syntax channel, so here regularly I am posting coding related videos. So please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel, and also if you're interested you can also subscribe our Geeky Script vlogging channel. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.